What's up, snackers? Today, I haven't done a Lay's China in quite a while. I know you see new Lay's China ones, but I haven't actually done one. Those are old videos because there's always new releases coming out. So I like to take the new releases and I'll put those first. And any little international ones I'll let just simmer in the background. But yeah, so a Lay's China from the Lay's Workshop is what, if you translate this, we have spicy chili crayfish flavor. I've had this can for a little while and I haven't been in the mood for like really hot spicy chips, so I kind of just put it to the side. And then when I translated it yesterday, I was like, what? Spicy chili crayfish? And I like chili crayfish flavor, so I was like, oh, I gotta do it. Remember, it comes in the sleeve to help avoid break the chips. These are very red. There's a lot of red on those, which is cool. Look at all that. I hope they taste like spicy crayfish. Let's give it a try. Oh. Well, yeah, you're getting there's a little actual crayfish flavor that they're imitating. I took a breath in and I got a little spice, like in the back of my throat, but on the tongue, not really. I mean, look at this chip. Man, that's pretty good crayfish flavor. There is tons of spice and everything on these chips, but there's not a lot of heat or spice. There's spices, but not heat. Very, very mild. Damn, I would give this a spice level of 8 out of 100. It's not spicy. It is tasty though. I get the faintest hint of a little spice in the back of my throat, like eating like amount of a curry spice. Come on, not spicy. It is really tasty. I like that crayfish flavor. That is very good. Yeah, they needed to increase the spice level quite a bit. These I'm going to give a B minus, mainly just because the spice level isn't there. It's, they show all this blast of chili powder all over, but you don't really get it. But they do taste very good. All right, now, snackers. Peace out. Have a great day.